It actually is a pretty long process that they go through to try to figure out where this product is going to fit. With some of these newer introductions, we've realized how important the DMI chemistry is. With Rayora, what we found really quick was how good it is on dollar spot. And that's nice because many places have DMI insensitivity, and yet it seems like this molecule works on those kinds of populations. Rayora performed very, very well in our trials, and I think that's the only way we really used it initially. Trying to get it out, for us in North Carolina, that's usually around April 1st, and noticed, phenomenal control. This summer, we actually did a really cool trial where we looked at prevention versus we waited till we had, I think it was either 10 or $20 spots and then 30. Even though it took a little bit, Rayora worked very well on that curative basis as well. So it gives, I think, superintendents a flexibility because Mother Nature always throws a curveball. They have preventative and curative knockdown with this particular product. Fantastic dollar spot control, preventative and curative with brown patch activity as well. Dollar spot was outstanding and used in part of a program. I think it makes as a basis. So you're going out for dollar spot. It's not like certain materials where you're only getting dollar spot. And I think that's where it adds in some benefit. DMIs in general have never been all that good on brown patch. And this one I would say is good, right? Is it going to give the length of control of a QOI like FAME? No, but it is going to give you some prevention. What FMC has shown is that it's actually a fairly rapid uptake. So, for example, the benefit of that, if it was washed off, i.e. you make a dollar spot application and it rains, it will be taken up by the roots and relocated into the shoots. And it does that relatively quick, right? So that's a nice benefit for it. Probably it's also the reason why it was pretty good curatively, because what you're trying to do is manage the fungus inside of the plant. So that's at least how it gets inside of the plant. Incorporating this into a program, number one, I think it adds a nice rotation in a program for something like dollar spot. In particular during the summer months, where we tend to focus in on an SDHI or even a contact-based fungicide. So that's going to add and I think extend intervals for people, which is good. Everybody's looking for more efficiency. For putting greens, I think that's where it has some really nice options because it seems like it has potentially some anthracnose activity, some patch activity, so you're getting a nice sweet. When you get above 85 degrees, we used to say that was the no DMI zone. And now this trend is we're seeing these newer products don't have that regulation. And we have looked at Rayora in many different situations and we haven't seen that. Even incorporated with growth regulators. I really think it'll do very well for dollar spot because it brings brown patch, which some of its competitors don't really have. And then time will tell about what's that next thing that it's bringing.